So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add Binance Coin to your wallet here on MetaMask. So once the MetaMask app is opened up, go to the bottom left and press home. And then at the top where it says fund your wallet, go ahead and press on add funds. Now, once you're on this page right here, you can do one of two things. You can go down and just scroll down to where it says Binance Coin. Go ahead and select that and proceed that way. Or what you can actually do at the top here is just type in Binance right here. You can see a bunch of different options. We're going to go ahead and just select Binance Coin. Now, once you're on this page right here, you can actually see how much you want to buy and add to your wallet. So in this case, it'll be 100. You can change this to, $40 or 60, whatever the case may be. And right below that, you can do this in the form of either Apple Pay or debit or credit. You can go ahead and select whatever one. I'll just keep it for Apple Pay for this demonstration. And if all looks good, go to the bottom and press continue. Then it'll bring you to this page right here where you have to simply go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed this way with the next step. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to add Binance Coin to your wallet on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.